Hi, I'm going to show you today a new technique that I just found out about. How you can actually use the Hotfoil stamps or Hotfoil plates like this one here without a Hotfoil machine. You can get a similar effect using microphone glitter. This one's from Elizabeth Crafts, and using glue. And the glue pad I'm going to use today is called the Essential Glue Pad. Okay, well this is how it works. You still need to use your Big Shot machine, and you need to have a rubber mat. So you just put down at tab 1 and you put your one acrylic plate down and your rubber mat down. Then you get your Hotfoil stamp. This one's from the C'est La Vie collection called Wide Fern. And what we're going to do is with this this glue pad, is we're just going to put some glue on it. So with this glue pad, you need to, there's no glue on it, it's actually in the little bottle, and you just need to glue it up. Just squirt some on here, just a little bit, not a lot. Now we need to just swish that in, put that on the pad, and then ink up. Not ink up, glue up. Facing upwards. Just going to one sheet of paper on top of that. Roll that through the machine. Back again. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little impression with the glue. So we've just got to actually let that dry a little bit. And then get out. And this works best with an ultrafine glitter. So just tap a bit of that on. And we're just going to spread that around. You can see the patterns. Excess. Just tap that off. And so you get the similar effect as Hotfoil, but with glitter. Thank you.